Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is about as random a video as I've made, but it was requested by my friend Snobby Scrap Picker. Snobby's got a shop, and I made a comment on his shop was about as messy as my shop, so we're having a revolutionary war on shops. Snobby's from across the pond, but he's a good guy, runs some good live streams. And so I'm going to give Snobby and everyone else who cares to stay a tour of my shop. That's the chemical section of the shop. I've got paints and various other stuff. A lot of it's gone bad. I go through it every once in a while and get rid of it. I've got some bolt holders, and I like old holders like that. And this is some of the stuff when I was doing a lot of business, safety harnesses. You got deer antlers, more deer antlers, even more deer antlers, even more deer antlers. Got plenty of toolboxes, and they've got tools in all of them. A lot of them are off the farm. Got lights. I have in summertime. A lot of times I work outside at night. I just enjoy doing that. My tool belt when I was doing a lot of carpentry work. I got a lot of craft stuff. I used to do a lot of crafts and all with my kids, and this miscellaneous stuff. Now this is organized chaos, but I pretty much know where everything is. And that's my old tool section. All those tools came off the farm, and I've got quite a few, and I'll get you a close-up on that. This is saw my daddy had some, that's for horses and stuff. And I got another sickle going down there. There's a toolbox I got. And this piece right here was used to weigh cotton when people would pick cotton. And that's the old cotton scale. And that's a urinal. That's a metal urinal. Been out here at the farm longer than I have. So I just hung it on the wall. And but there's more. I do a lot of wood stuff, and here are some of my canes I've made, and all with thermometer. I've got stuff all around like that. This is a miscellaneous table that I've got way too much stuff on, and tools. Up under there I keep tools. And I guess the size of my shop, uh, 20 feet by 15 feet maybe. It's more than what I need. This is a hiking stick I made for a friend of mine. I finished it. Just got to get with him and give it to him. And I put a coat of polyurethane on it. He's going to hike the Appalachian Trail, so I made him this. But then he come up and wanted a different type stick. So for his Appalachian Trail trip, I'm making this. I'll have a knife and matches and all that in here, and then I'll wrap this with paracord, and I'll probably have another little space down here, and I've got a little space up top too, and we'll have him survival matches in there and some way to start it. But I'll get it finished. I've had the survival stick for a while. I just hadn't been out here and completed it. That's a birdhouse I made. The top came off of it. It fell over during a windstorm, and so I'm gonna get it fixed up, put back on the porch, and there's a little bit of everything here. And my Euro mount, I'm carrying that to the flea market, and I was supposed to carry it the other week, but I had too much stuff, so I couldn't carry it. And here's some more tools and stuff I've got, and old pulley, some old wrenches, drills. And that was to put oil in car back in the day. And I've got my daddy's old hammer in here somewhere. And some more tools. I have to hang it up where I can see it, or I'll forget all about it for sure. And there you see my tire plugs. And what would I do? I've got plenty, so I bought 2 more packs just in case. Yeah. But that's it, Snobby. I've shown you my shop, and I'm going to clean it up. So that's a challenge to you, Snobby. You've got to clean your shop up if I clean my shop up. And I want a detailed tour of your shop. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, everybody, for stopping by. Come back again when you will. And I've put a link down below to Snobby's channel. He has some great live streams. A lot of fun goes on in there. And his wife, Dusty Blonde, I'll put a link to her channel. She has live streams too. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.